Welcome back to another video where we're going to be looking this time at scaling strokes. So, for instance, we draw this square here. Now, what we're going to do is draw a line segment. So, remember, we can basically, if we hold Shift, we can do it to 45 degrees. So, we'll do it about this big. And what we're going to do is look at the properties. Obviously, there's no fill in a line segment. And with the stroke, what we're going to do is we're going to basically bump it up to a really, really big number. So say about, there we go, 64, right? So that's still a stroke. It looks like a rectangle, but it is just a stroke, right? Now, if we want to move it, we have to make sure we select right from the beginning here, right? And we can basically put it in there. All right, now say we group these two items together. And you have to think like, what is going to happen if you actually scale this, right? So let's have a look. So you can see as I scale it, it's not working properly, right? And that's because there's something to do with the corners and the stroke. Basically, they don't scale in the same way, right? So it will basically not work. So the only way to get that to work is you actually have to go in here and you go into more options, scaling, and you can see the corners is another issue as well. If we do scaling strokes now, then you're going to see the actual difference, and it will actually start to scale properly, right? And there you go. You can see perfect scaling on that. So yeah, just a useful thing to realize, especially if you're not sure what that button is even for. You probably will come across that problem. So just thought I'd explain that. So thanks for watching.